Hey people, so there is this show called 365 DNI that is on Netflix, and it's a very different show. Like, as in, basically it's a movie, So it's about. I began watching it, and the kind of uh, you know sex scenes are like, it's. Uh, I mean, of course, there are lots of people on this planet who, you know, would want to watch like an oral job and all of that, which is I like personally with very Indian sensibilities. You get a shock, when certain things are so graphic. So, so depending on your interest levels, you will continue watching, or you will be like, no, no, I think I'd rather watch something else. So yeah, but try and catch it, people. It's 365 DNI. It's called, and it's about this, about a certain gangster who. Uh, Gets into a relationship with this woman who is not too happy in her relationship. So it's, I think, I don't know, it's a complicated storyline, but you all can watch it. It's an interesting show. And thank you so much, Suhani, for like it feels so nice when someone takes time out to say something nice for you. बिकॉज यार आज का ज़माना ऐसा है, टू से नेगेटिव थिंग्स लोग सोचते ही नहीं हैं, बस कुछ भी टाइप कर दिया, बोल दिया, वट एवर. बट टू एक्चुअली टेक द टाइम आउट एंड से दैट आई रियली एन्जॉयड योर लिटिल वीडियो एंड ऑल्सो it made my day. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, because especially during this lockdown phase, I think all our emotions are under lockdown. I mean, like, there's a very when you're out and you're working and you're meeting people and all, life it buzzes along. But when you're by yourself, and so when you get that word of encouragement from someone, it means so much. So just this is probably one of the first times that I mention a person twice in my video. Like, but really, Suhani Devra, she's been a journalist with, she's one of the few people I've met who's, that's what, anything that she says, you would take it seriously, because she's into Vipassana. This is a very rare combination, because what happens is, what I've seen, many people who are good in one particular field, they tend to just specialize in that. They are not so into, you know, the people who are totally into all this meditation, they are not. They'll not really do any writing or anything of that sort, at least of what I've seen. But here's one person, she's very well rounded, as a person. So thank you, Suhani. I mean, this video is like, it was going on continuously, but it that one little line from you meant so much to me yesterday. So when someone does something nice for us, it's important to stop and acknowledge it also. I think that's like the biggest learning from this video. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.